It's giving I'm done talking to you. Sarunu, guys. Konje ke bokae le leta? Ke bokae after? After o qetile mo. Yeah, o patela bokae? 10 rand. So, cheapy mos. O cheapy mos.
10 rand.
Okay. I'll patela, don't worry. I got you. Hi guys.
Oh, let's 50 cent. Let's 50 cent.
Excuse.
Let's breathe in.
Let me breathe. It's okay. I'm doing good when I like, and I wanna go. I'm very tired, and this lady doesn't wanna finish. But hey, I like some so yeah. This is what I get lady. Oh, but what is?
I can't.
Guys, what's good? Get up on someone, guys. Guys. Ke kopa ntshela hape spray sa di last and then o bonkamanyana guys like I do, but that's why ke ga anka it's tough, Joe. Ke tswa into reinstall like ke story, Joe, and it was a do the way the give at do that day we is pain you how it's eh o jwang khanti
like go tlaletso or go etse hat
o reg I can't take it 10 rand.
Mo tshena ke a re
Ke bloma malamva.
Let's go up to show the children go to go
When I'm mama guys. She's sleeping. Yeah.
Fast I get process. Fast I get paid.
Hey, my name. Guys, I get casual. I promise, I get casual. I get casual. You don't say that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ma. Are you son?
Oh, get it closer.
Oh, don't look at the cup.
Get it on my horn.
Hey, hello. Oh, okay, so can't come. But anyways, let me.
I can't come. It's a bear camera close to you. Let's born.
Okay, mine. Okay, guys, bye bye. I love you guys so much. Wait, give me a join. Oh, empty. Give me the tea. Okay, bye guys. I love you guys so much. Good night. Don't forget to pray. Ngiyantanda. Ma.